sorry. All of our representatives are still assisting other customers. Please remain on the line as we value your call.
Just in case of rough waters, I wanna put one up for my brothers. Just in case of rough waters, I wanna put one up for my brothers. Steps up to the plate, little brother, little league. 87, he was 8. Rookie season for the skinny slugger, newly at a T-ball. Pit against a pitcher with a ripper you could eat off. Church dinner, grip balloons, run a third first. Granny yelling go Cubs, nose in a word search. See milfs like eggs on a monolithic bleacher. And advocating war and peace and law, sport and leisure. Hi Peggy, I was 10 chewing on a sweet tart. Little brother left field, Queens guard. Mean arm, knees bent, 2 out, 2 on bags. When I caught him staring down at something moving through the grass. Hold up, tag runner and a whole cast rotate. Not before he could identify the culprit. Granny yelling go Cubs, Graham yelling go Spur. New left fielder, give a fuck about a homer. Got a homie, little rodent head and shoulders at his level. No baseball in the bubble. Ruh-roh, parents thought it adorable. The players followed suit, and he crawling to a close. Head coach not amused, coach seeing red. Coach on the diamond, dragging 27 inches of aluminum behind him when he transfers third. The families turn nervous. The following is a transcript of man versus vermin. Here we go. Man stands out by a hole. Pest pops up to patrol. Man plays live whack-a-mole in a scene that would try every child as adult. Whoa, poor boy with a ball mitt thrown over the fence. Coach hit the bench. Both teams lose. Good game, good game. Granny yelling go Cubs. Cubs ain't playing. Machine. Big brother, big idea, 9016. Noi button tee, plaid flannel, late an adolescent art kid. Tony Hawk hair, skinny puppy denim, and a record player vomiting alien sex fiend peel sessions in a Christian home field testing. Real youth in a palm of your hand when your mom thinks Satan is involved in a band. We were buried in the village voice, checking it was playing where. Pulled his head up out the paper, pushing out a single tear. 5 words like a beak and a light in the mist. Ministry live at the Ritz, it was Christ is risen a Chris. 3 loaves, 2 fish, miracle of mechanized loops on 2-inch. Coming to a theater, he would be there in the flesh. Moms didn't say no, but she didn't say yes. Cop tickets, side of plot tickets. Countdown our ultimate concert experience. Mom still worrying, why are they called ministry? Are they a cult? Maybe she could probably investigate. What a mag with an Al Jurgensen interview. Read a couple sentences, glanced at a pic or 2 or 3. That's all, no fair trial. Simply, you will not be going to the show and that's fine. What occurred next would have taught by the lungs of a son who unjustly had lost what he loved. In a moment that would transcend anger to high art tip, this is something I am willing to die for. Can you even imagine a death in a band from industrial fandom? Anyway, nobody count no concert in Chris